Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video analysis on Pepe. We're going to do a full analysis right here. Mostly technically, fundamentally, Pepe is quite bullish as well for two reasons. First one being that Bitcoin obviously opened this week relatively bullish and closed last week relatively bullish as well. I mean, they really tried to save that weekly candle right here, as you can see, by making it close above 62,500. We'll see what type of effect that has over the next couple of weeks. I don't know. But in general, Bitcoin is opening relatively bullish. And what you can see is that one of the narratives, or the narrative that is performing the best, is meme coins. All right. If we look at, well, Pepe itself, volume is already up 100%. Volume right now is $1.1 billion. And if you look at the top gainers from the top 100, almost everything is meme coins. So performing very well. And if you look at Pepe right here, and that's also what I wanted to talk about mostly in this technical analysis, we also managed to break above a significant resistance level right here at 10,000. All right, so 10,000, it's realistically it's 0.000001, but we'll call it 10,000 as that's what you see on the chart. So in general, fundamentally, meme coins are doing quite well. Pepe specifically has a lot of volume inflow in the last 24 hours, broke above a significant level. The only thing, if you look at Pepe, like other meme coins are performing a bit better than Pepe. Now, Pepe obviously also has a higher volume in combination with a higher market cap, so it's always so it's also a little bit more difficult to move the price, right? If the volume is very low, if the order books are very thin, then it's easy to move the price. But the depth for Pepe is also just in general pretty high. So it's difficult to make Pepe move, but that also means that a breakout above a level like 10,000, which is a big psychological resistance level, and it's the value area high of this previous range we were in down here. So a level like that matters. Breaking above that with the volume we have matters as well. The only thing, so that's all bullish. The two things that I think you need to be worried about slightly are, first of all, that the momentum for Pepe is still relatively low. If you compare this momentum that we have right now with the momentum we had before, it's much lower. It could still be that this is quite similar to the beginning when Pepe turned bullish the 18th of September. So it could still be that that's the case. That would be bullish. But at this point in time, it's still relatively low. So that's something to be cautious about. And then outside of that, I also do think like this move that Bitcoin made over the last 24 hours is very much built on leverage. So there is still a possibility as well that Bitcoin gets some sort of a deeper pullback, and it is absolutely key that Pepe is going to be able to hold this level around 10,000. So the way I look at it right now is that yes, most things point towards being bullish here on meme coins on Pepe. But I do need to see some sort of confirmation above 10,000. If we're able to get that, and if Bitcoin continues to be bullish over the next 24, 36, 48 hours, then I would say it's most likely we'll get back up to the highs right here, and we'll make even higher highs around 12,700 right here. So those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I expect from Pepe right now. In the case that Bitcoin actually does flush and Pepe is not going to be able to hold 10,000 here, then we'll just be right back into this consolidation right here. Right, so that's the other scenario. This scenario seems less likely right now, but it is nonetheless, especially it's nonetheless a scenario to be prepared for. And therefore, you should definitely keep an eye on that level at 10,000, because the reaction to that level and the price action around that level is going to determine whether this happens or this. So those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But that's it. So have a great week. Take care and bye.